If you are a network electrician, then without a cable network tester you will be handicapped. It is a must-have tool for all network technicians. But the only problem you'll face while purchasing network cable tester is which one to pick. There are too many manufacturers in the market. My today's video is about top 5 best network cable tester that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Tempo Network Cable Tester. Tempo Communications is a reliable brand in terms of quality and affordability. It is the compact and small size that most of the customers love about this product. Because of this feature, you can carry it anywhere you want without any hassle. You can easily slide it into your pockets or work bag. This product can identify cable breaks and continuity checks. In addition to that, it can detect cross connections and shorts along the wire. Using this device, you can also adjust the connectivity and strength of RJ12, LAN, RJ11, and RJ45 cables. This cross-compatibility makes it excellent tester suitable for scans. It comes with a cable of up to 500 meters length. You can use this device to perform a diagnostic test of wires that are inserted to the connector pins. With commendable features, this network cable tester is one of the greatest additions to any cable connection workbench. Because of heavy-duty construction, it can be used for multiple functions without any hassle. Now our second product is Tempo Network Cable Tester. Tempo Communication, formerly Greenlee, has served customers over continents of America, Europe, Africa, and Asia for 150 years. It delivers you innovative products with high quality as they have ISO 9001 certification for their products. Their DataShark RJ45 network cable tester is another high-quality brand for you. This cable tester is loved by customers worldwide because of its extremely low price. Despite being low in price, it still provides you with all the functions a network cable tester should possess. This includes troubleshooting the problems of your patch cords or network. It easily identifies any open, short, or crossed connections in your network or patch cord. It is not limited in identifying connection errors only. This network cable tester also verifies if you are having the proper cable configuration. As you use your tester to carry out the testing, all the pins have LED lights against them. The configuration which your cable is having the LED light against that pin will glare up. This way you can easily identify the result of your testing. This tester makes your work very easy as it doesn't carry many buttons for you to press. What you will further love about this product is you get a carry pouch to protect your tester. Once used, just put it back in that pouch, which is exactly the size of your tester. This makes you take it anywhere with you without caring for its protection. To end our point, we will say that this is low in price with the highest durability. Yes, it misses some important features like NOIAFA Advanced Tester, but the basic testing which every cable tester does can be easily addressed by this. Our third product is NOIAFA Fault Finder Network Cable Tester. It will easily tell errors in the network connection. You can also use it for testing twisted cord, coaxial cables, or telephone line along with the above type of cables. You know that all the cable testers are battery operated and changing them frequently annoys all of us. Don't worry, in this tester you will not get annoyed, as it comes with an auto shut-off features that automatically shut off your tester if it is not in use for the last 5 minutes. What it really misses, and which we personally didn't like about this tester, is it doesn't allow you to carry out testing of RJ11 cable. So, if you are planning to use it for RJ11, we are sorry, you should look for something else. What gives you the confidence to buy this is, it is easy to use, it gives you accurate results and carries out multiple functions. You can easily carry out the cable continuity test and cable sequence test. What impressed us most in this tester is its accuracy. It gives you not less than 97% accurate results. You can use it for any type of circuit, be it open or closed. You can also use to test reverse connections, jumper wire, and cross interference. With its 1-year warranty, you can easily solve any technical glitch or issues your tester faces that too free of cost. The other thing is it is too small in size and very light to carry with high battery life. Use it as many times you like. Now number 4, Klein Network Cable Tester. Klein Tools is one of the popular and reliable brands that has been in the industry for more than 160 years. Their products have been known for being a combination of premium quality and performance. Their VDV 501-851 Cable Test Kit is no different. This versatile product is suitable for testing or locating data, video cables and voice. It helps in identifying multiple cable runs and their mapping routes. These features help the professionals to verify accurate cable installation every single time. It can measure cable length up to 610 m or 2000 feet. You can also use this product for testing miswire, open, split pair, and close faults. This tester comes with hub blink mode, which helps in identifying the port location easily. The large backlit display provides insights on wire map, cable ID, cable length, and test results. Some of the safety features of this cable tester kit include low battery indicator, voltage warning, self-storing remote, auto power off, and shield protection. Being compact and portable, you can just carry it out in your tool bag. It can ID multiple cable runs quickly and efficiency in a single step. And our last choice is Callsol Network Cable Tester. This is another Callsol product in our list. This tester is not much multifunctional in testing, yet more advanced in technology when compared to its previous version. With this purchase, you get a 4-in-1 PO with NCV and lamp along with a network toner and probe to carry out various testing. You can carry out your cable testing in 3 modes, namely AC filter mode, analog mode, and PO mode. You can accurately measure the length of your cable up to 200 m using this tester. Yes, it's a bit short when compared to other brands, but what makes it elite is its accuracy. The other testings that you can accurately carry out an error in cable connections, PO testings. It also allows you to carry out NCV testing along with hub blink. Hence, this makes it a very important tool to be present always in your KIT and hub testing. It accurately tells you which pin supplying power along with telling you the voltage associated with that pin. You can also test the physical status or detect the AC voltage, 50-100V, of your STP, UTP type LAN cable. With this tester you can test other cables also. This includes Cat5e, Cat6, Cat6a, Cat7 cables. Carry out testings like an open circuit, short circuit, cross connections, and split pairs. With the help of the pointed probe, you can easily find the port location of any unidentified cable in your network. As the probe reaches such position where it is difficult to take your hands, it finds the cable without coming in contact. This prevents any accidental shocks also. To sum up our reviews, we will only say this product is less in price when compared to the above product. Yes, you don't get to test that much variety of cables, but you are going to love its accuracy and durability for sure. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.